the debris and the neutralized drones and the drones that have been forced to be on the ground, that is being collected from multiple locations in Pakistan. Other than these 12, one drone, however, managed to engage a military target near Lahore partially. 4 men of Pakistan Army have been injured in this attack near Lahore, and partial damage to an equipment has occurred. Due to this activity, another drone, as a result of that, another result of this activity at Miano, there is one civilian has embraced Shahadat and one is injured in Miano, Sindh. As we speak, the process of India sending across these Harap drones, this naked aggression continues, and the armed forces are on high degree of alert and neutralizing them as we speak.